Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at y'all this morning because I got a great product I want to go over with y'all. Got this joker in the mail, the Grilleye Pro. This is another rendition of a Wi-Fi grill thermometer, and this is a bad boy here. It's got 8 ports, 8 probe ports. It's got a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, hybrid Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, adaptive display system, 2.7-inch display, magnetic mounts, really cool. Let's unbox this bad boy and let's see what we're looking at, okay? So this is basically the box right here. Y'all can see that. I'd like to cut it open here. Y'all bear with me. Let y'all zoom in just a little bit. Get my knife out. This is really cool. And this one isn't quite as much as some of the other Wi-Fi ones. Right now, I think there's a pretty good deal on this bad boy. I'll put a text in the description box where you can get it, but man, I'm excited about this one. Look at this. Get some product testing going on. Got that sealed up in here good, okay? Come on, guys. All right, right here, it's just got your simple instructions, how to set it up. Oh, look at that, look at that, there it is. And I tell you what, one thing I've always loved about grill, I say always loved here recently, last year or so, look at these probes. I mean, that is a sealed probe right there. You ain't getting no juice or nothing in there. Let me unravel a little bit. See how that's straight there into, I mean, that just big hunk of metal. That is awesome probe right there because you ain't got to worry about a bunch of water and stuff getting in down there. Of course, you got, still be careful with it, but the longevity of these probes, I think it's going to be really, really good. So I'm really stoked about that. Another thing, small little end right here, the connector, and it's not elbowed, so you can get these through your grill, your probe ports and stuff on your grill that you may have drilled previously, unlike some of the other brands that have these big connectors on the end, okay? Well, of course, it's got, one of the real great little clips there. Let's look at this here. All right, here she is, cylindrical shape, almost about the size of about a little smaller than a beer can. Look at all these probe ports. All right, so yeah, you get it charged up. There's a magnet on the back here, so you can have it magnetic to the grill, or you can just sit there and it's not going to roll on you. Let me show you the display. Of course, right here is a charging cable, another probe. Let's see, it looks like it comes with 2 here. It came with 2 probes. Again, you can hook up to 8 probes. I've got Grilleyes from the past. I'll have plenty of probes, so that's good. Let's look at this. Need more probes? Look here. Make the most of your Grilleye by purchasing. Got you some where you can get you some more probes, up to 8 probes right there. A lot of people, 8 probes, that's a lot of probes, guys. That's enough for 2 or 3 grills going. All right, so here's some quick startup instructions. Let's see, good picture of the display right there. So I can't wait I've got a chicken cook this afternoon. I don't know if I'll be using this cooking just chicken breast or whatever, but I can't wait. I love that display. That's something I can see at night, from 10 feet away from the grill when I'm sitting in my easy chair. Or, of course it has the app, the Grilleye app, so that's really good, and graph everything on your phone. But I'm really excited about this one. Seems nice, pretty heavy duty here, not too heavy. Of course, the probes, great construction there. So yeah, y'all check this out. I'll put a link in the description box where you can get one, but you won't see me be using this here real soon as we get into these holiday cooks, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all please like my videos, sub my channel, check the description box where you can get some of this stuff. God bless y'all, and y'all have a good one.